Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and accessories to see if they truly live up to the hype. Today, we're taking a closer look at the monTEK heavy-duty fixed TV wall mount. Designed for TVs ranging from 43 to 100 inches and capable of supporting up to 200 pounds. If you've been thinking about mounting your large-screen TV but are worried about stability, aesthetics, or installation hassle, this one might just catch your attention. Right out of the box, this mount impresses with its build quality. Constructed from heavy-gauge alloy steel, it's designed to handle even the largest modern TVs securely. The mount has been tested at 4 times its rated capacity, which means you could theoretically hang an 800-pound load on it. While that's far beyond any TV you'd likely own, it gives you confidence that your screen is going to stay put without wobbling or slipping. Safety and strength are clearly a priority with this design. This mount is a fixed style, meaning your TV will sit flush against the wall. At just 1.2 inches from the wall, it creates a sleek, ultra-slim profile that's perfect for a clean, modern look in your living room or media space. The low profile helps free up space and avoids the bulky bracket appearance you often see with older mounts. For those looking to achieve a floating TV effect, this mount does it effortlessly. Compatibility is another area where this mount shines. It supports a wide range of VESA patterns, from 200 by 200 mm all the way up to 800 by 600 mm, making it suitable for almost all 43 to 100-inch flat and curved TVs from major brands like Samsung, LG, Sony, TCL, and Vizio. Whether you're dealing with a 4K OLED or a standard LED TV, chances are this mount will work without issue. It also accommodates a variety of wall types, including wood studs with 16, 18, or 24-inch spacing, as well as concrete or brick, giving you flexibility in installation. The mount's design includes a wide wall plate for side-to-side adjustments, making it easy to center your TV even if your studs aren't perfectly aligned. The open structure not only allows for better ventilation but also simplifies cable management, keeping your setup neat and organized. The quick-release spring lock ensures your TV clicks into place securely while still allowing for easy removal if needed. A feature that's especially useful if you ever want to swap or upgrade your TV without hassle. Installation is surprisingly straightforward for a heavy-duty mount of this size. monTEK provides a drilling template, bubble level, and clearly labeled hardware, so you don't need to be a professional to get it right. The process is designed to be stress-free, helping you achieve a secure, perfectly aligned installation in just a few steps. From strength and safety to style and flexibility, this heavy-duty fixed TV wall mount combines everything you could want in a mount for large TVs. It delivers a sleek, low-profile appearance, versatile compatibility, and a robust build that ensures your investment in a big-screen TV is well protected. If you're looking to elevate your viewing experience and want a mount that balances style with security, this option is definitely worth considering. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the latest home tech products.